Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Glamon with me, and today's video is how you can achieve a flawless makeup base for yourself. So let's get started with the video. First, I'll take a moisturizing cream, and this is from the Joy, and this is the aloe vera variant, and I'll moisturize my face first because before starting up with the makeup you need to prep your skin for makeup. So first I'll moisturize and hydrate my face, then I'll be jumping to my primer, and this one is the MAC Infallible Primer. This was my first high-end primer and I absolutely love that. Next I'll take my MAC Match Master Foundation. This foundation is one of my favorite foundation, pretty high coverage, and I quite love this foundation. I'm gonna blend this foundation with my flat top foundation brush. I'm gonna blend the product and buff the product really well into my skin. Then I'll take a pencil concealer and I will hide my under eye dark circle, and I'm taking my stick concealer and I'll highlight my face with it, and I'll blend the product with a beauty blender. A beauty blender works really well for blending. In terms of blending the product, I quite love blenders because I think this gives a natural and very dewy finish that I absolutely love. Next I'll take a Marlin loose powder and I'll bake my under eye area and the places where I've applied my concealer, and I'll wait for 10 minutes. Then I'll remove it and I will dust it off with the powder brush so that I get a nice like a fresh under eye look. I quite love this loose powder, very fine particles and really amazing. Next I'll use my favorite compact powder, and this is the MAC Studio Fix compact powder, and I'm gonna set my face with it. And the last step is to set your face and set your makeup onto place, and for that I'll be using my Mars makeup fixer, and I'll dab a beauty blender on top of it. So yeah, this is how you can achieve a flawless base. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to hit on that like button, do subscribe my channel, and do give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll be meeting you in my next one. Till then, bye guys, take care, I love you.